Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by confirming prerequisites. You need a Google Parent account and the child device ready. Open the Family Link for Parents app on your phone and the Family Link for Children on the kid's device. Follow on-screen pairing prompts. Sign in with your parent Google account, then enter or create the child's Google account when prompted. Once done, grant initial permissions like device location and basic access, so Family Link can manage settings and enforce limits from the outset. Now you configure controls. In the Parent app, tap the child's profile and set daily screen time limits and a device bedtime. This enforces when the device locks. Next, adjust content restrictions. Set filters for search and Chrome, restrict Play Store downloads to approved content, and require parental approval for purchases. Then set app-specific limits and review the app activity reports. Make sure to enable location tracking so you can locate the device, and sync settings so changes take effect immediately. Finish by testing every control. Lock the device remotely, try opening a restricted app, and verify bedtime enforcement. If something doesn't work, make sure both Family Link apps are updated and that you granted required permissions, then restart both devices and resync. If syncing still fails, remove and re-add the child account as a last resort because corrupted profiles can block policies. One key troubleshooting tip: if app approvals stall, toggle parental consent off and on, then reapprove. That often clears pending requests quickly.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.